Hello my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some water marbling. I've already got my nails prepped. I've put on 2 coats of Orly Ridge Filler as my base coat, and then I've put on some Simply Peel liquid latex barrier, and I did put on a coat of top coat of Shush Feet to help that base coat dry. And I'm going to be water marbling today with some Color Cut polishes from the Oil Slick collection. And the first one is called It's Raining Men, and it's this gorgeous blue. And the next one is called We'll Never Be Royals. And it's kind of like a purpley pink. It's beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start building my bullseye, and I'm using just a little bathroom paper cup, and it's just got tap water in it, and we're going to just use that and a toothpick to do our little design today. And I'm just making that spread out all the way to the edge of the cup. And I do like to let them stop spreading before I add the next drop, because then that way it doesn't distort the bullseye too much. Unless I'm being impatient, and sometimes I just, go ahead and jump right in there. I'm going to give it a little tap to make it spread just a little bit more on that blue one, because I do want to add one more drop of the purpley pink. Oop. And for this one, I'm just going to go up to down to the bottom and up to the top. And starting in here on this pink ring, I'm going to draw in from either side, kind of dip to secure it. And I am wiping off my toothpick in between the second drag so that the nail polish doesn't build up too much on it. And then I'm going to start up here at this one, and I'm going to just drag down to the bottom. And that kind of gives it a little bit of a heart shape. I'm going to turn the cup so I can get my dip right. And I'm going to dip in. And clean up this excess polish. And slowly pull out. There you go, you got the blue on the sides. It's a little different than my normal water marble, but I think I'm going to like it. And I always like to get this latex off just as soon as I can, because when the paint dries it starts flaking, and I don't like it getting all over my design. Whoop. There you go. Okay, now that I've got this one done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the rest of them, and I'm going to speed it up. So just sit back and Okay guys, I'm back. They're all water marbled, and I'm going to do some cleanup, and then I'm going to come back and do some top coat, and then we'll look at the final results, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've done my cleanup, and now we're going to do some top coat, and I'm using Shush Feet today. Kind of mix it up, so depends on what I'm doing, and today is the Shush Feet kind of day. I don't know if you've noticed, but there were a couple of pebbles that have popped, so I might go in and do some dotting to try to kind of, not really fix them, but cover them up. There's another one. Alright guys, I'm going to let this dry, and then I suppose I'm going to come back and do some dotting. I'll be right back and show you that part of it. Okay my friends, I'm back, and these are dry and top coated and all that, and I've decided I'm going to use gold dots on anywhere where there were bubbles that popped. And this one is an OPI polish, and it's called Oi, Another Polish Joke. But it's a real pretty color. We're just going to dab some out here on the mat and get busy doing some dotting. And I'm going to speed this part up too. Hang tight, we'll be going into fast. Alrighty, I think these dots have dried up a little bit, and I'm going to top them off with some Out the Door. And although the dots weren't originally planned, I think they turned out looking pretty good. It works. You know, sometimes you have to change what you're seeing in your head to make it actually, you know, work. But I do like the gold dots, especially on the thumb. I think they look really pretty there. So, let's get some top coat on the rest of these. And call her to done. Ooh, big old baba. Top coat on that one. That little old fingernail don't need that much. Alrighty, so there you have it. What do you guys think? I just couldn't stand the little white bubble dot, so I had to do something about that. And to me, this was a win-win. So, thanks for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you later. Bye.